Hello everyone, my name is Dan at Meeks-Hull and I go by Danny. I'm coming to you from the state of Minnesota, which is soon to be getting really cold after leaving California for quite a while. So I'm not looking forward to that, but I am looking forward to my field placement. My field placement is actually a clinic that does outpatient dialectical behavioral therapy, psychosocial analysis, and psychotherapy, as well as EMDR and hypnosis. So I am really hoping to gain a lot from this field placement. Right now, as we've just started, I've already been in 8 hours of straight intensive dialectical behavioral therapy group meetings with about 12 of the patients there. And it is a very physically, mentally, emotionally draining. That's one of the things that I really noticed right off the bat. So I do have a lot of compassion for the patients that are attending these group meetings and sticking it out and working towards having a better life. So I am hoping to learn a lot from this, and as I move forward I will also be doing one-on-ones with clients in DBT therapy as well. So my field placement supervisors and all of the other 16 therapists there are so informative. They're very willing to help me learn and let me shadow and teach me as much as they know in as much time as I have with them. So I'm really excited about that. What I am noticing is that it is completely different from my generalist year. I have a lot of that patient contact and a lot of researching in the DSM-5 books, as well as ICD-9 and ICD-10 billing codes, and understanding what diagnosing they are and how they correlate with insurance companies, and as well as knowing what skills clients are using in therapy as well as in their daily lives, and learning to communicate with them when they are having very high behaviors or when they are just really catatonic and not willing to participate. So there's a lot of things that I'm learning in this one-on-one groups, as well as with the large group sessions with patients. So unlike generalist year was a lot of just getting your feet wet and learning about the field of social work. But this is very intense, and I'm so far enjoying it a lot and trying to absorb as much as I can, just like a sponge. So I'm really looking forward to the time that I have with this company, and hope that I am able to impress them and they decide to keep me someday. Who knows? At any rate, I wish you all the best, and like I said, it's been a long day. I'm really tired, and I look forward to talking to you all in the course room. Thank you.